3 years ago when I listened to a broadcast on CCFM about mothers who care and what God did in one school. And I was so encouraged. I just went in and wanted to start a prayer group. Unfortunately, they turned it down at the school, but encouraged me to start serving in the school. The less privileged children, to make little sandwiches for them. Well, that's 3 years ago. During that time, I started interceding at another school, and one of the moms there remembered my name when Mothers Who Care was looking for a volunteer at that school to start a prayer group. And she contacted me, and it was almost immediately I had peace, and we just knew God opened the door there for us. The way he opened the door was actually very funny and very natural, but supernatural. It was Teachers' Day, and we decided to buy everyone, us 4 moms then, ice cream. And on the ice cream, we gave them a little note to say, Happy Teachers' Day. And with ice cream, all things are popsicle, which you know what that means. With God, all things are possible or is possible. So we went in with that, with a simple gesture of love and serving the staff. And the door opened up and we started praying there, and new relationships is formed with the staff, and God really just blesses us.